All right. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Welcome to the live stream. Voice test 1 2 3 1 2 3. Can you guys hear me clearly? Sound check. All right. Sound is just perfect right now. So let me just do just some more settings for the YouTube actually. So okay, tools, settings, audio. Okay, just already settled down. Microphone settled to M15. Okay. All right. Everything just settled down. So let's just begin. Okay. So all right. Walaikum salam. So let's just break down chart from the higher time frame to lower time frame. Actually, I'm just going to look at this one. Damn, the daily candle just continuously pushing to the downside as the war escalation just like stop now. They just seize the fire. Gold just continuously pushing to the downside. Yes, dollar just getting stronger right now, so just showing clearly impact of that one. So let me just remove these all things first. uh, just let me just remove this one. So I think so it would be better because this daily candle actually just continuously pushing to the downside. It's just moved like more than 500 pips. So let's just directly jump from daily time frame to h4. H4, if I can see this one, the h4 just created a resistance and now it's just continuously pushing to the downside, and I think so we are having the support on the left hand side. Yeah, here is we just like hitting the support on the left hand side, but it's just like more than 500 pip range, so we just need to go through from h4 to h1 to see more better picture. So if we just look at h1, we just got over new resistance here, and now for more clear vision we just need to look at m30 just like created resistance. It just broke the consolidation, gives the confirmation candle, then it just continuously pushing to the downside. Look at this one now, it should be like removed now. So now actually we just need to see what we are just going to be face on the left hand side actually, because it's just clearly showing that it's just having like a clean like bearish trend. Here we go. The next support could be somewhere here. If it just close and broke below this area, we have like a more than 150 pip range still. Wow, clean traffic on the left hand side. But now here is the thing we just need to understand. Now we just need to wait for some structure to be formed. Make sense? Now we just need to wait for some structure to be formed. Like if we just wanted to take a sell, then there should be some kind of support should be formed, like a bullish candle should be formed there. And then if a next candle break and close below that bullish candle, that makes sense for the continuation to the downside, because now you can see that even the 15-minute candle, if 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, it's just more than 12 candles of 15-minute continuously pushing to the downside. M30 1 2 3 4 5 6 candle or seventh candle is just continuously pushing to the downside. So very strong bearish momentum right now going on. And for buys, I would say I will just never recommend buys at the moment, to be honest. But still, for buys, I would say if a candle just creates some kind of resistance, like first it should create some support, then it should create some resistance, then the next candle broke above the resistance, that makes sense to take a buy. Till right now, we just need to wait. The 50-minute candle just going to be closed in like 4 minutes, so might be this current candle should create some kind of, I would say, a support. And the next candle, if the next candle create a wick continuously pushing through downside and broke and closed below the support area, then I think so with the opening of London we could give our trade a chance. This makes sense. Exactly. Okay, bro, which time you give funded account here? It will be on at the end of this stream actually. We will just going to do a lucky draw actually. I'm already loaded all the names here. You can see all the names who just participated into it. It's just like right now it's just like 177 entries. So these are these one of three of actually three accounts will be given to three lucky winners. $25,000 account of Dominion funding. Let's see who gonna win this one. And still when the stream is just going on, still you can become a part of this. At the end of the stream, the rest name was who was just like left behind. I will just put those into these entries and then I will just go for a spin. So the spin will decide who just gonna win. It will be like fairful with everyone. Okay, let me just do this thing. All right. How you write his name in already? What his name? Who's his name? Or you just talking about like spin? I just hire someone to like copy and paste from the comment section to the spin section actually. Is my name is there? I just want to confirm, sir. Okay. Sim. Sim. Let me just see if your name is there. Let me just see. Hmm. Okay. What's your name, Sim? Yeah, here you go. I found you. Sim Sharma. You are already in. Yes. So let's just see now who's just gonna win. Okay, just continuously pushing to the downside. Let's see. Just need to wait here. We just need to wait here. It just already moved a lot. We just need some structure to be formed. No support. It is just respecting right now. Like look at on the left hand side. It just continuously breaking all the supports on the left hand side. It was like a very strong support, I would say. Look at on the left hand side. It just like rejected many times from this area. But right now look at the volume, it's just continuously breaking the low actually. Yeah, so if we just if the next candle, if any candle just like create a resistance and broke below this support area, we have a very beautiful range of more than 100 pips. Can we grab like 30, 40, 45 pips out of it? That makes sense. But before that we just need some kind of structure to be formed. Structure to be formed. Hello, hello. Can you break down the trade you entered? Okay, what I have just done there. So I just took three trade actually. Today I have just took three trade. Okay. So here is the history of three trades. So the first trade I have just took here as a buy. Look at the way how it just rejected with the long rejection wick, close in a bullish form. The rejection is like more than 100 pips, just clearly showing a rejection in it. Before that it was just continuously pushing to the downside, and from where it just rejecting, it's just like a rejection on the left hand side as well. So the next candle create a weak break above the high as it just went in my favor like 20 pips. I just close like 80% position and leave the rest, and the rest I have just closed at 50 pips. And the second entry when the candle just created a resistance because the trend is just like in a very strong bearish momentum, then it just created a support, created a resistance, next candle create a weak, broke the low. Here I just give my trade a second chance. Second chance means I just took like second trade here. Like it just went in my favor again, like 20 pips. I just secure like 80% position, leave the rest. The rest position just went in my favor like 40 pips. Then it just come back and hit my break even, and then it just continuously pushing upside. Then it just start doing some kind of consolidation. Then I just never look at the chart. And the third trade I have just took here, that third trade is actually like very beautiful trade, I would say. It was just continuously doing consolidation. Then I just saw that the 50-minute candle just clearly showing volume in it, like it's just like a strong body. A 50-minute candle even just printed like a more than 60 pips, and also close outside the range. And the next candle create a wick, broke the low. This is something I just wanted. A first 50-minute candle should have to be fill the complete wick on the left hand side. This is what I'm just expecting from it, but it just like stuck somewhere here, was not moving how I just wanted to see it. Then again I just secured like 25 pips, like close 80% position and leave. I have just closed as it just fill the complete wick on the left hand side. It's just like a 80 pips. Make sense? Everything was having sense behind that. We always just having like logic whenever we're just going to be execute on anything. Sir, I took the first two trades exactly like you did. Yeah, that's just great one actually. By depending on the volume, the way market just moving, the way candle just like printing there. Okay. So come back to YouTube chat. I take a sell to fill the wick, but I close it on 23 negative. Why? Where was your SL on the first trade you took? It was below the candle on the left hand side. Like as it just create a wick break above the high, stop loss was here like 15-20 pips. Because there is no if the candle just break above the high, then there is no business of this candle to break its own low, or even it just broke the low, like a low of the previous candle body. If it just broke the low of the previous candle body, there is a probability it can continuously pushing to the downside to fill the wick actually. So I should be cautious about this thing as well. Okay. Why are you trading on 5k account? I'm just not trading on 5k account only. I'm just having like three accounts with me. So yeah, this account actually belongs to education, to be honest. I just only mostly I just use this account when I just do like live stream, or when I just like try to provide education. But Castle Bhai, we moved a lot in three trade. Where we just move a lot in three trades. So it doesn't matter, just wait for the structure to be formed. Okay, I took the same trade you took on the second time, bro, but didn't had time to close partial. It hit my break even. The move was so quick. Yeah, I was just looking at it. It's just like a video game for me. It was like I'm playing video game on mobile actually. So yeah, once you just get proper grip on your things, you will just knew that when you just need to manage the risks, and when you just like just need to hold on to the trades actually. I was just not expecting this kind of moves happening on Tuesday, but it is whatever it is. It's just due to, I think so, it's all happening because of the war, just like get added, just because of that. 30-minute impulse buys, 30-minute impulse buys. Where you just wanted to take a buy, buddy. Wait for the candle to close. Kaisa, why are you trading in non-trading hours and not London Open? I mostly like only stuck with like a London or pre-London. I just never like do trades during non-volume time, and I knew that very well that when the volume just going to be hit the market. Yeah, so these days when you just knew that the war just going to be end, so there's a very high probability you can get volume for the whole day actually. So some days are different actually, but mostly I just only stick with like pre-London, London, or NY or NYSC. Today giveaway, yes, today is just gonna be a giveaway. Okay, your third is my your third trade is my same trade. I'm also got 40 pips early this morning, but market moves so much. Doesn't matter. If you just like you just need to understand, Mr. Vase. There's a lot of people who just didn't even get a zero pips there. Not even like 5 pips, 0 pips. So you are just like what I should say, you just need to understand it's just more than enough. You just scored like 40 pips. Doesn't matter where the market is going on. Market have to move somewhere. Like it's just like open for 24 hours. It just have to be moved somewhere. It should have to be go upside. It should have to be to go to the downside. But if you just get your chunks, why you're just worrying about it? Just already if it's just continuously moving in your direction, you just got your chunks. Just call it a day. That's all. If the current M15 candle close above the previous M15 candle, will you look for buys as the London Open in the next 10 minutes? So let's see how this 50-minute candle is just going to be closed. Then we'll just take the decision. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Hi, brother. I'm from Nigeria. I got your third trade, made 25 pips. Also the on demo. Okay, save money for a funded account. Please add my name to your list. My luck will shine. I just already like added all everyone who just like did a, I would say, commented on the live stream. Everyone just added there. Your live classes are real good, sir. Thank you for giving us free education. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. The rejection candle was also good, but I was looking for a little more bottom wick. Then gold was like boom. What? Why you just need for the little more bottom wick? Yeah, just if you just like continuously watching the things what just going on the chart, and the opportunity is just available there. Just jump in. Why you just like freeze there and looking at that? If you just get scared, just lower the load size, but be a part of your like what just damn. Can I write my name in the comment more than one time? No way, Mr. Gunbat. There are people who just written their name twice or three times there. I just took like their one name actually. I just took their one entry actually. All other entries are actually useless. Bro, how do you set your bias for the day? How I just set the bias for the day actually. So what I do, I just like break down the chart from the high time frame to low time frame, and then I just ask to myself what is the best probability and what should be the best trade. Like if I just give my trade a chance for the buys, that makes sense. Where I can get like clean traffic, tradable range, volume, each and everything. When there's where I can feel more comfortable that if I just wait for this thing to be happen, like for buys or sells, that could be like having a higher probability. So then I just give my trade a chance there. Our best explanation was very good. Thank you so much. Need a trader friend. Okay, just go and find someone. Okay. Mirias, can you break down the trades you took today? I just already like break it down. I was just continuously speaking for 10 minutes to 15 minutes and telling that why I just took this buys, why I just took this sells. So yeah, I have just like already explained it. So just waiting. There is just like 5 minutes left for the candle to close, and I think so. We just right finally we just got our support here. Yeah, this makes sense. Finally, we just like got our support here. Still, there's just like a 5 minutes left, and no one knows that what can be happen in the last 5 minutes. And you know what? Just let's see this how this like a 50-minute candle just going to be closed. 30 minutes just rejecting, closing in a bullish form, but it's just like in a small body. Yeah, it's just like hmm, okay, all right. This week for trade, Alhamdulillah, 4 win. Congratulations, congratulations. I think buying at daily 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minute support zone with the 50-minute confirmation is good. Um, Actually, you know what? Look at the way how market just continuously pushing to the downside. Like the trend is just like in a very strong bearish momentum, and using like just a 50-minute time frame as a confirmation. I don't think so. It will make sense. 30 minute if just create some kind of structure there, that will be more good. But still there's just like a 15 like a 3 minutes left for the candle to close. Let's see how this 15-minute candle just going to be closed. But I would recommend myself that if I just wanted to take a buy, I would want to see something like this. If I just wanted to take a buy, I just wanted to see something like this. The candle should have to be create some kind of support, then it should create some kind of resistance, and then if I just saw that a candle just create a wick, break above the high, close above the resistance area, I think so this would be very beautiful for the buyer's perspective. Make sense? I just wanted to see this kind of structure if I just wanted to take a buy, to be honest. Or what I am just looking for, if the next candle we just create a wick, break and close below the support area, with the opening of London session, it could be continuously pushing to the downside. This is the second scenario. So let's see. And the third scenario is like might be we will start doing some kind of consolidation. So then that will be the sign that the trend just stopped there. Then I will just wait for some kind of breakout structure. If I just got some breakout candle close above the consolidation, I will take a buy, or if I just got some candle close below the support area, I will just go for the sells. So just keep your things actually in a simple way. Don't try to force yourself. If the things just appear how your eyes actually wanted to see, then just give your trade a chance. Rather than that, just wait. Just wait. Okay, Cass, why are you trading such a small account? Man, I just don't know why people just like worried about the size of my account. Why you guys like what you just wanted to see there? Don't know why you just use why you just like waste your mind like thinking like this. Okay, Assalamu alaikum. Sir, MT5 is not allowed in Pakistan. Why? It's just not allowed. Just use like VPN if it's just not like letting you to logging in. Just you need to use VPN once actually. Once you just like logging into your MT5 account by using a VPN, then next time you will just no need to require that VPN. It will be logged in automatically. Guess by if next 30 minutes create a low and break the high, then there is a good buy. No, look at the size of the candle. It just closed with the same size of the previous candle. Let's just look at the 30-minute time frame. It just closed with a very small, tiny bullish candle. So 100% I'm just not interested in a buy. It doesn't matter if it just break above the high and continuously pushing upside. This is something is just not like my structure. Now I think so we're just going to be do some kind of consolidation. Let's see. Let's see. It's just not a, there's just like clearly no buys for me. Okay, a nice candle and break of high. Okay, no, there's, okay, let's just get back to, I think so I just missed some. I feel calmer now after I decided my MT5 on my phone and been doing two trade for 2 weeks now. Should have done it sooner. Yeah, Satyavan. He, Satyavan is actually my oldest student. He just like struggling from 1 year, but yeah, still he's just fighting with his weakness. That's just like most important thing. Impulse 50-minute Asian session. Please review secure 30 pips. Okay, let me just see. Tejasvi just sent me a chart. So Tejasvi. Okay, so it just a candle just rejected with a long rejection wick, closed with a small body, like a very beautiful impulse move, and you have a clean traffic on the left hand side, tradable, and it's just like a very beautiful trade, I would say. What a beautiful trade with a trend, break, create a wick, broke the low, yeah, grab few chunks, very beautiful trade, very nicely done. Impulse on 15-minute time frame, pre-London, okay. So the second trade, you just send us. This is something I would say could be risky one. Yeah. Look at the size of the candle, just continuously dropping the volume. Here you just need to wait for some kind of volume to be kick in, but it just worked out in your favor, but it could be risky. So yeah, next time try to like look at this one. Like even if you just break the low, you have rejection on the left hand side, and then right after few pips there's just like a support available on the left hand side as well. But there's volume, the word just stopped there, so it just like went in your favor. But in a normal market condition, it could be give you a loss. Okay, can I upgrade my same standard account to ECN account? What is your account size actually? I think so for ECN account you just need to deposit minimum $500. 30-minute doji candle, not interested, exactly not interested. We can even wait for resistance to create and then take sales going with the trend. Exactly, Mr. Fahad, that's the most important thing I just forget about to tell. Like wait for the candle to create some kind of support, wait for to create some kind of resistance, then we will take for go for the sales as well. That's the fourth scenario, the most important scenario. The first should be, it should be like a first scenario of us. Okay, we can, okay. Castle, would buys have been more valid if the 30-minute closed very weak bearish with a big rejection wick and only a small wick to the upside as a counter trade? Yeah, sometime actually, you know what? Sometime it makes sense because if a candle just close with a small bearish body, it's mean that it's just dropping the volume there. If it's just dropping the volume by reading the candle, the next candle create a big break above the high, it could make sense by depending on the volume, it will continuously pushing upside. But look at this one, it just closed in a bullish form, like it's just not having even a strong bullish momentum in it. And if you just look at M15 just closed right like with the same size of the previous candle. See this one? So a candle which just closed with the same size of the previous candle, there's a probability the consolidation could be start there. Okay, so have you ever looked at the psychology of trading the small account but thinking the large one? I just did not get your question actually. Have you ever looked at the psychology of trading the small account? But yeah, I just don't get it what you just actually wanted to ask, Mr. Shakes. Yes, it's not that I am against it. I was just curious that you are a very good trader and still trading on 5k account. I just already explained, Mr. Atharva Bhagwat. Buddy, this account belongs to mostly live stream. But look at this one. Okay, look at this one. Even I'm just like using a small account. Let's just see the result of this small account. All history. Okay. This month, how much I have just made on this account. Let me just see this one. Okay, this month even by using just like maximum, look at the lot sizes 0 0.15, 0 0.1, 0 0.01, 0 0.1, just only once I just like use 0.25. So just using like smaller lot size on this account, still it's just standing at $1,000 profit. So do not look at the size of the account, do not look at the size of the lot what I'm just using there. If you just like use the same concept with the 100 lot, it will work in the same way. Make sense? So it doesn't matter what account size you're just using actually. If you can handle like a smaller account, then you can go for any bigger capital as well. But if you just can't handle like small account, then bigger capital is not for you actually. You will just lose it easily. If I have a prop account, should I risk 1 to 1.5% or lower? Yeah, that totally makes sense. If while you're just passing phase 1 and phase 2, just go with 1 to 1 point or 1.2 1 or 1.2 1% or 2% risk actually. Damn. Okay. Kasabai, where you from? From Pakistan? It's just irrelevant. Copy trading the small account to large account. Yeah, I have an account from April and it's a 5k one and I didn't pass even phase one because how I make the risk to reward. Sorry for my English. Just forget about risk to reward. Risk to reward is actually like I would say it's just a subjective. because once we just once market going against us, we're just not going to be lose the complete trade there. We just do manage the risk, and at the same time, if we just going in our favor, we also do manage the risk in the same way. So risk to rewards is just like subjective for us. Okay, Itminan just send us a message. Brother, don't explain to haters. Haters gonna hate. You know you are top G. No need to show proof to someone. Bro, haters gonna hate. Yeah, but some people are just they're like innocent, I would say. If the current candle close below support, should we go for the sells? Yes. Shamsher, you will become share if this candle just close below the previous candle low. But I think so. We're just going to be start consolidation. Let's see. But if this candle just close below the support, you are just already sitting with the volume time of opening of London, and you have a clean traffic on the left hand side as well. Let me just see again. We are having like a clean traffic on the left hand side. Let me just see this one. Okay, look at this one. What a beautiful clean traffic on the left hand side. I think so it could be better if we just execute on this trade. This makes sense. We can have this range of 50-60 pips, so can we grab 30-20 pips out of it? And if there's just like a lot of volume, then it will continuously pushing to the downside to fill the range on the left hand side. And why I'm just taking this target actually, because from here to here is just like a clean traffic, but after that we are just going to be hit like a consolidation area on the left hand side. So can be rejected from this area and then create some new structure and then continuously pushing to the downside. So we just should have to be realistic with the things. So that's why I'm just like taking this one as a target. Okay, so let's just wait and watch. Just wait and watch. If you wait, you will just get paid. What was the initial balance of this account? It was like on $4,000 account. I already took 600 to $650 withdraw from this account as well. Even it's just like a small account. So 25% nice, exactly. Yeah, 25%. Even the market, look at the market, just like consolidating. It was just not clear for the whole June, but still I just made like 25% on this month. So I think so. If once I just like start getting clean moves, it can be like 50% in profit. It can be like 100% in profit. So it's depend on the condition of the market. You cannot I would say account. You cannot account like profits are actually not accountable, but you can control your losses. Bro, do you have any WhatsApp group or Telegram channel where you post your live trade suggestion in real time? Yeah, I just have my personal WhatsApp group, but it's just like paid one. It's just for one-to-one session. But I will suggest you like just join like Mark Philodity University. It's just like more stronger than mine, I would say. You are just having like Raja Pro live stream there. You will just like going to be get my live streams there. You will just getting like a breakdown on the daily basis. And yeah, if you just join Mark University, you can get like 15% off by using my code CAS15. Okay, so should we go with the sells? Should we wait for the candle to close below the support? Like there's just like 4 minutes left for the 50-minute candle to close. Just like 4 minutes left for the candle to close. Until that, should we go for one spin to get first lucky winner? Let me just see if someone just come after or during this stream actually. Let me just see this one so I can put their name into it. Okay, my channel, live streams. Okay, okay, this one. Okay, let me just see the last comment. Newest. Okay, the last person which added into this wheel spin is Faisal Riaz. Faisal Riaz. Where is Faisal Riaz? Damn, look at this person. You are like disqualified, Mr. It's Parveen here. Look at your messages. Look at what you are just thinking. Like, I will put your all entries into it. I will just not going to be add your even one entry. So, Mr. Faisal. Wow. This one, Mr. Faisal Riaz. So, above Mr. Faisal Riaz, we are having like Suman. Let me just copy this one and let me just this one. Paste. And after someone, we are having like Mr. Copy. Okay, I think I just need to move this one here. Just keep eye on gold. Keep, don't miss that move while like doing this thing. Okay, let me just look at gold now. There's just like 2 minutes left for the candle to close. 1 minute left, even like for the candle to close. Okay, it's Praveen. I don't want to add you, but we'll give you a chance. It's Praveen. Damn, how many people just like. So let's just get back to gold. Oh, look at the rejection. Look at the rejection. Nothing happening. Like as I just said that it could be like a consolidation. Yeah. So I was right about it. So where I was actually, uh, this one, Ghana. Okay, after Ghana, I'm having like, so these will be the last entries actually. So see. Abdul Wahab, I think so. You just already commented here. Am I right? Did you just like put entry again? Okay. Okay. Done. So we just done with it. Okay, look at this 15-minute time frame and just start doing consolidation. As I just said that if the candle just close with the same size of the previous candle, there's a probability it will continuously doing some kind of consolidation. See this one. You can see it clearly. So where was the chat of YouTube? Okay, please refresh. I also commented my name Najaf. You cannot just only comment here, you just also need to follow the steps, like follow my Instagram, follow Dominion Funding as well. Just do that one. So at the end I will just do that. Okay, so there's just like 12 minutes left for the 30-minute candle to close. I think so it would be better if this 30-minute candle just close below the support area. If the next 50-minute candle just close below the support area, and with the confirmation candle, we can give our trade a chance. Let's see. Till right now, look at the candle, like this place from where market rejected three times, like 1, 2, and 3. It just rejected three times from this area. So now what we just need to do, we just need to wait for the candle to close below the support. That will make sense. Okay. I thought we should put our Insta name under the video from the 16th June. Yeah, exactly. You just need to follow the steps. It's just like way more than easy. Okay. So should we just go with the first winner? Let's just take out our first winner actually. Okay, you guys are ready. Everyone just like added into this one. We just having like more than 187 entries here. So let's just go with first spin, the first winner of 25k $1,000 account of Dominion Funding. Here we go. From it's Farah Hossein Bucks. Congratulations, Farah. Congratulations. I think so. Farah from Margaret University. Am I right? Let's see. Let's see. So we just got our first winner here. Are they? Let me just see this one. Are they added here? We just got, yeah, the one result is just added here. We just got Farah Hossein Bucks. Okay. Yeah, congratulations, Farah. Farah to get 25k funded account. Congratulations. Many congratulations. I hope so. You just pass this account and will make money on it. It's an opportunity, I think so, for someone who just mostly like can't afford the account. So here you can give your life a chance actually. Okay, get back now. Now we will do at the end of the stream. Two lucky winner will be chosen at the end of the stream. Still you have chance. Still you guys are having chance there. Okay, let's see. Okay, so people just start messaging that they're just commenting right now. Okay, bye, please add me. I did the steps, but I'm not on there. So actually, if someone just did that and write down message there, they must be into the, like their entry are is in the, what we should call it, like spinner. I think it's like a spinner, I would say. I would say like, yeah, they are there actually. No one name is missed actually, Mamuji. Everyone just there. Hello, Mr. Kasser. Can please talk about why the buy is not valid? Because the 50-minute candle just closed with the same size of the previous candle, and 30-minute just closed with a very small bullish candle. So that's why buys doesn't make sense. If you just wanted to take a buy, there should be some structure to be formed. Like the candle should have to be create a support, create a resistance, broke up above the resistance, give you confirmation candle. That makes sense for the buys. And at the same time, if this continuously pushing upside, create some kind of resistance, give you confirmation candle, you can go for the sells. And if you just start doing consolidation, what you're just doing right now, after this one, you just need some kind of breakout structure. So now if a candle just close below the support, that makes sense, or if a candle just close above the resistance area, that makes sense. Now you just need to wait for some structure to be formed. That makes sense. Always, as I just already explained, that if the candle just close with the same size of the previous candle, there is a probability it will start doing consolidation. Okay, Mars is here to win the spin. Yeah. Kasabai is my name in list. Please check it. If you just comment it there, definitely you will be inside that spinner. When will be the giveaway? We just already did one giveaway, one lucky winner. Farah just won a account. Still, we just have like two winners there, which we will choose after some time. People are just continuously messaging. I think so. So let's just see this one. How many messages now on the stream? And guys, don't forget to like this current live stream, and especially the Market Fluidity University people. You just need to like my live stream, what I'm just doing right now. It could be like a motivational for me as well. Okay. So before that we were just having like 224 commands. Oh, within few minutes we just got more 20 commands there. Maheen Fatma, I remember you just already like write down your name there. You already in the lucky draw actually. Great insight as always. You break down the market moves really helps. Simply things for beginners and pros like loving the transparency and real time examples. Keep the quality content coming. That will be continuously coming towards you. Okay, Malik Wasa, you just ready? Sim Sharma, Sim Sharma just okay. Let me just see this one. Oh, I'm just like reading the top comments. Now we are just having like a new comments. Hossein Murad, I remember your name. Okay, yeah, I think so. It's just top now. Yeah, you just already added all of the people. I just do not want it to like. Hmm. Okay, let's just do some poll here. Should I just add these names who just come at the end of the stream right now? Should I add these people? Where they were for the whole week, I think so. Where they were for the whole week. Do you also show analysis of any other forex pairs? We just work with the price action, so it can be implement on any pair with the same strategy, or you just need to understand the pair you just choose for trading, but certain time it shows you volume in it. So you just need to read that pair, how it just move, and when it just show you volume, and then with the same structure you can execute there. Okay, let me just refresh this one. Okay, damn, the commands are just like continuously coming in. Wow, I just cannot put these 25 names into it. It will be take like I just paid someone to put entries into this spinner. So I just hate this work, to be honest. Like and subscribe your channel. Thank you so much, Vase. Thank you so much. Okay, let's just look at the gold. Gold is just nothing going on. It's just doing consolidation. So 30-minute time frame, 30 minutes just again continuously rejecting M15. Yeah, nothing on M15. We just stuck in a consolidation. So it's like a great thing what's just going on right now. Consolidation mean it could give you a very beautiful move once it just give you a breakout structure. So there's just like 3 minutes left for the 30-minute to close. So yeah, let's see. After this 30-minute candle closed, we will just going to be choose another two lucky winners and then we will just close the stream. I think so. Just doing consolidation and it's been like a 1 hour. We're just doing the stream. So before that, it just continuously pushing to the downside. If someone just grab money or just grab some chunks here, congratulations to those. And someone who just still waiting, just wait for the proper structure to be formed, wait for the breakout structure to be formed there, then give your trade a chance. Brother, you should do giveaway every week. What? I can't afford to do giveaway every week. One account of 25K funded account. Let me just see this one. What is the price of 125K funded account of Dominion funding? So, so the price of 25K funded account is it's it's $320. Wow. So I'm just giving away like $1,000 giveaway after 1 month. I think so. It's just more than enough. If I'm just like you just want me to give people reward $4,000 a month. Who just do that? No one do that. So yeah, still it's just like good. I'm just like giving $1,000 worth of accounts actually. Okay, so 1 minute left for the 30-minute candle to close. Let me just see this 30 minute. 30 minutes is going to be close below the previous candle low. Like it's just it could be like a confirmation, but we just need to look at smaller time frame in this situation. Smaller time frame like on a 15 minute you can see it just doing consolidation. So it's just not nothing just like clear till right now. So just need to wait. So 30 minutes just closed, 15 minutes just closed with a small body, 30 minutes just closed. Yeah, nothing clear, nothing clear. You just need some kind of confirmation candle. Like a candle should have to be close above the resistance or should have to be close below the support. Look at this one. How many times it just rejected from the resistance area? How many times it just rejected from the support area? So just need to wait here. Just need to wait for the candle to give you a confirmation candle to the upside or to the downside. That makes sense. That totally makes sense. Okay. I think in NY is continuing to push down. Yeah, I also like expecting that might be pre NY or NY will continuously pushing it to the downside, but no one knows that. It just all depend on the tweet of actually Trump. So we'll see. All right, time for giveaway. Nikola Tesla just saying that time for giveaway. So should we go for the another two lucky winners? I think so. It's time for the giveaway. Yes. So it's just been like 1 hour. We're just doing live stream. So just doing consolidation. We just need like a confirmation candle. We should have to be close above the resistance or close below the support area for the buys or for the sells as well. So yeah, for that I think so. It could take some time. So without confirmation, I don't think so. Giving your trader chance as an impulse entry here, that doesn't make sense. Even the previous 30-minute candle just closed more stronger than the previous candle, the previous the bullish one. The bearish one is just like more bigger than in a body size. So yeah, just not comfortable with with this buy, to be honest. I'm just not comfortable with this buy. So let's just choose another winners. Cash bro, I just comment on your YouTube account. Will you add ID inside? No, it's just late. Kelvin, you are just late now, buddy. The support line should be below the candle or below the complete wick of the candle. It should be below the candle actually. Wick actually represent the range of the candle. Body is actually the price of the candle. Make sense? Okay. So just wait for the 15-minute candle to close, to be honest. Yeah. And if it just close far away from the resistance area, like look at this one, it just move like 40 pips. So then you just need to wait for some new structure to be formed. So just relax and chill. Don't go for the market, let it come to you. Okay, just let's go for the next two winners. And after this thing, I'm just going to end the stream. And two lucky winner will be get their reward within 24 hours. You just need to send me or text me on my Instagram. So I will just tell you the steps, and then you will just get free $25,000 account. Okay, so here we go. On the count of three. One, two, and three. uh, Mr. Azfar Khan. Mr. Azfar Khan, you just won a $25,000 account. Congratulations. Many congratulations. Many congratulations. So the last one, the last one. Let's just see. One, two, and three. Mohit T4568. Damn, I think so. Mostly people who just won these account are from Pakistan. Why? Why they just choose? I think so. Mostly people are from Pakistan. Let me just see the name of these people. So congratulations, Mohit. You just won a $25,000 account. Congratulations, congratulations. Let me just see the winners here now. Okay, result. Sim Forex. मैं फिर रह गई. Don't worry, I will just gift you one account next month. Don't worry. Okay, first one is Farah Hossein Bucks. Second one is Azfar Khan, and the third one is Mohit. So all three lucky winners have been chosen for $25,000 account. So you guys can see I just did that live in front of your eyes. There's just nothing like scam, you can say. So you can see your name into it as well on the spinner. Everyone just have their name in it. So these winners are like chosen via lucky draw. So all depend on their luck. So I think so. Congratulations, everyone. Just I hope you guys just make money on these accounts and change some can make some change for your life. Let's see. All right, Farah. Oh, Farah is here. Farah won account. Farah, are you a male or a female? Farah H. Sexy mama. Okay, Farah. Congratulations. Yeah, I just remember that Farah is from Market Fruit University. She just won account. So yeah, congratulations. Congratulations. You just need to text me on my Instagram. So I will just tell you how you can get your free account. So yeah, see you there. And congratulations to all lucky winners, I would say. And thank you for everyone who just like joined this live stream. We were just waiting for some kind of breakout structure. It just break. It just give us the breakout, but without any confirmation. So and just move like 40 pips. So I would suggest like wait for the candle. If you just continuously pushing to the upside, wait for the candle to create some resistance. If you just create some resistance, then wait for some support to be formed, then give your trade a chance for the buys. So now you just need to wait for some structure to be formed, wait for this candle to be closed, so that makes sense. So it's just like doing consolidation, then it just give us a breakout but without any confirmation breakout. This kind of structure, I would say, it just never happen all the time. It's just having like a less probability. It's just having like a less probability, I would say. Okay, so we just got a message from Mohit too. Mohi just won a account. Mohi just sent me text on my Instagram. Congratulations to you actually. Okay, so just wait for the proper structure to be formed, because if you just wait, there's a high probability you will just get paid. Just wait for the proper structure to be formed. Let the market come to you. Yeah, that's all you just need to do now. Just wait patiently. So yeah, thank you so much everyone for having me. It's just like a very educational content, I would say, and congratulations to all the lucky winners who just won this account. Next month we'll see for the new giveaway. We'll see. Not confirmed, but we'll see. So thank you so much. Stay tuned. Be blessed. See you guys on. I will just see you guys on Thursday. Yeah, tomorrow Rajabra will just going to be to do the stream. So I will just do the stream on Thursday. We'll see you guys on Thursday with the same time, 2:30 a.m. Eastern. Till that, be safe, be careful, and bye bye. Okay.